Okay, I've just got them out as you've seen. It's Tuesday, 27th of July. It's 7:45 now, coming up 7:45. I've been down here for about an hour. Had a little drive about. Couldn't see any fish, and there's a couple of people down there actually. There's someone over there, and the swim that fishes out onto the plateau, and there's someone down in the end swim there, which probably, when I first got down here, the wind was stronger, would have been my first choice. But no, I'm quite happy with this. It's convenient to pack up and go to work in the morning. I've got to be off at about 7, so I've only just put them out, so I've got less than 12 hours, 11 hours, something like that. Obviously put one down there, where I had those 2 fish from in my last session, which was in here. And the other one, I've gone a little bit further out actually, from the bank than I did before. And the reason for that being, I just, it takes the sort of worry away about fish kiting left into the snags. Just gives me a bit more to go at, and it's only 15 wraps. It's a bit shorter than before, I think. Just in a clear spot amongst silt, and there's weed dotted about, and it's fairly. I pulled back, and when I reeled in, there was nothing there. So nice clean spot, but no particular feature in particular to go at. Weather feels, it's clearing a little bit now, the sky and that, but it's felt proper carpy, just that sort of quite muggy. We had a strong sort of southerly wind to start with. It's overcast, we had some drizzle, so it's been very changeable. It's just, I don't know, it's got kind of now a still feeling, it's just got that carpy feel, so I feel quite confident, but I'll probably be totally wrong and blank. Who knows? Hopefully not. So yeah. Oh, some bubbles coming up there already. It could be just my bait breaking up. The balls of bait that I threw out there. But I better get out of the water in a minute. But what I was going to say is, as I was spodding onto that rod, a fish did show. God, it's going to laugh at me. A fish did show about probably, another 50 yards on, and I know they're there anyway. So, but yeah, I don't know. Just got a confident feel. So now I'm going to try and get out of the water quietly and get myself something to eat. Okay, we just had a fish crash. Just about another 3 or 4 rod lengths up the margin from where my bait is. Yeah, not a duck. It wasn't the duck. Looking promising. Okay, just come up to 9:30 now. Raining, as you can tell. I think it's only a shower, probably passed through. Nothing further happened on the up the left hand margin after that fish showed. Right, let's hope I have to dash out there and get wet in the night. Okay, just got 12:30 and I've had one. Right hand rod, so the one out in open water. Nearly got his head in that snag on the right. Whew. Sling's already zeroed, so I reckon about 20. $20 and a half. Right. Now, I think you're going to beat me up, aren't you? You've got your strength back. Let's have a look. Yep. Right, can we try again? Come on. That's good. There we are. Alright, quickly the other side. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh. Thought I was going to lose that one on the right hand side in the snag there. Made a good few lunges for it, it did. I was having to really pressure it. It knew where that snag was. I'm chuffed with that. That's made the night, that's made it worthwhile. Short overnighter. I mean, I can still do a fish down there, down the margin. One wasn't that far away, so I mean, I've had to wade out again, put the rod out, so I've probably spooked anything that was near, but yeah, I'm confident for another take, really. Morning. Just got my wake up call from all the Canada geese that are on here, which was nice. Nothing else happening, no bleeps or anything like that. So yeah, just gonna have first of my coffees, start a slow pack away, and yeah, do an update before I go. Okay, 7:15, all packed up, off to work now, spring in me step, and looking forward to the next one, which will probably be on Saturday evening. Okay, it's Saturday, 31st of July, it's about 5:30 in the afternoon now. Just got down here, I've just been walking up and down the margin, the side where I was stalking fish a few weeks ago, and didn't have any. But those fish were right in close on top, weren't they, turning up the bottom. And there's actually only one other person on the lake, which is unbelievable, really. So I've got this choice of swims going on. What's happening there? I don't know what to do. I've had a look in this swim, which is you know, where I've had a couple from out there, haven't I? And where I've been fishing out there onto the plateau and having tension bream. But we've got a bit of a southwesterly going on, so I might go and look over there where it's pushing into that corner, and I'll probably go and look and see actually if there's any fish in this sort of back bay where the day swims are. because there's sort of interception points really. Where I'll fish out there is essentially, I think, an interception point, and if the fish come round there and along there, then you can, you know, you can intercept them there. So yeah, I'm all put out now because I've got a choice of swim. I'm not used to it. Right, okay, there's a fella just up in that middle swim, the one that I fish, you know, the margins in, and I've had a few from the last couple of sessions. So yeah, right, I'm going to have a look around the other side and then make my mind up. This one gives me a better feeling, wind direction and everything. So yeah, I think I'll probably do tonight in here. Okay, setting up in this swim. Going to put one out there, 11 reps, just past the corner of the tree line there, out a little bit to the right on some gravel before it then hits silt. And the other one, I mean, I've just seen a fish top right over the other side, which is too far away from the person's fishing in that middle swim over there. But you know, basically, because no one's gone in there, no one's gone in the swim next door, I could basically go anywhere around here. Just waiting to see if the odd carp shows. I mean, mine definitely did right over there, but that's too far away. So the mouth of the channel could be a good one, although I did go in there, didn't see any fish really. Up the side of the island, there's some pads springing up here. I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but there's a couple out there just at about, I don't know, 60 yards, not even that. Which suggests higher ground. I've not put a marker out or anything, I had to drag about, but somewhere over there I might fancy, just about 60, 70, 80 yards. I don't know. Up there, out there. I know I had a fish from up there, up the side, but that does get fished a lot. And I just think with less lines in the water tonight, you know, could be a good night. It's unbelievable. There's only 2 people on the lake Saturday night. I'm not knocking it. It never happens though, not to me. Right, okay, I'll keep watching the water and then make a decision on my second rod in a bit. Right, okay, made my decision on the second rod. It's going to be going up the side of the island there. Yeah, that's probably a sensible choice, seeing as I had a fish from there last time I fished it, and it regularly does fish. So yeah, okay, well it's about 7 o'clock now, so let's get them out there. Right, that's them out there. I'll have a bet with you now that the one to go will be the right hand rod, because as I was putting the left one out, it went, had a big bosh right on the spot. So yeah, so I'm quite confident with that one. Right, it's turned into not a bad evening actually, because it was raining when I set my bivvy up. I got soaked. But that's gone, and it's quite warm, so I've dried out. Yeah, right, going to settle down. The standard Saturday evening beer, and yeah, I'll let you know what happens. Coming up at 8:30 now. Lovely sunset. 2 or 3 more people have turned up now, but no one's set up opposite me yet. Feeling confident, and like I said, I think it's going to be the right hand rod. Let's see. Okay, 10 o'clock now, all quiet. Let's see what the night brings. Morning. Just coming up to 5:30. All quiet. Well, I say that. That fish crashed another couple of times up the right hind margin there. Sounded, you know, in the vicinity of where me bait is. I was expecting it to go, but no. Oh well, there's still time. Got until lunchtime. What happened in the that's a nice fish. What happened in the day boat? It looks like a goose is going to catch something. It's everywhere now. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, it's just gone 9 o'clock and I've had one. Right hand rod. That was a rechuck because I had a pickup or something earlier on this morning, about 7, but there was nothing on the end. So yeah, I've already unhooked it down there by the water. So sling zeroed. So let's see how big it goes. Twenty-two and a half. mate, you behave. Okay, doing good. See the other side? Better than when I played it in. Oh, it was holding the bottom a lot. I thought it was a much bigger fish. Enough, give me a scrap. Okay, come on in. Okay, time to go back. Head in. There we go. Okay. Well, that was okay, wasn't it? Thought it was a bigger fish than that because it didn't half hold the bottom. Gave me a real scrap. It just wouldn't come up. But no, I'll take that. Thanks. You know, otherwise I was looking at a blank. So I've got it back out there, and I've had to put the left-hand one out again and re-rig it because even though I dropped my rod tip, it still went through my line and created havoc. Yeah, what I'm going to do now, I think it's going to stay dry today, so I'm going to pack away, and then I might go and have a mooch around the lake, see if I can find one to have a stall cat. Okay, it's just come up 12:30. I didn't go and do a bit of stalking. I changed my mind because I looked at my phone and we're due some heavy rain. So I've packed up, got my gear in the car, almost all of it. Just got to pull my rods in now and put a few bits away. And yeah, that's me done. I might not get back down for another week now because I've got some things on during the week. I'm not even sure I'll get down next weekend. Possibly, perhaps only for a day on Sunday. I don't know. So yeah, if you like the video, please like, subscribe if you haven't. If you're out there fishing, I hope you're catching, and I'll see you next time.